In the office, feeling sleepy, yeah.
What you doing over there?
Spinning in my chair like I'm in a daze, yeah.
Easy doing work.
Email stacking up, but I ain't phased, nah.
In the garden where the flowers bloom for you. Every step the sun shines a brighter hue.
Staring out of this dusty frame day after day is the ultimate bore fest. I'm basically a part of the furniture at this point.
In this video, I'll show you how to bring your images to life using Hedra. Let's jump right in. First, sign up with your Google account. After signing in, you will be directed to the generation page. If you have your own audio file, simply drag and drop it here or click to upload. Alternatively, you can let Hedra generate the audio. If you choose this option, enter your text here and select the voice you want for your video. Here, you can preview the voice. Next, upload the image you want to bring to life. Hedra also has an AI image generator built in. You can input a prompt to generate it or hit the dice icon to generate a random image. And now, click on Generate. Here, you can preview your video.
You have the power within you to achieve greatness. Believe in yourself, work hard, and never give up on your dreams.
That worked out really great. Now you can download your video to your device.
Well, this is really not how I thought this video was going to end.